That is our chain, very slack, and we're facing sideways to the current, which means we have touched bottom. It won't have enough room to grab hold again before we hit this boat behind us.
Frisbee. We have a frisbee.
You can't get there fast enough. That is our chain. Very slack. And we're facing sideways to the current, which means we have touched bottom. I don't know how much they let out, but we're gonna come pretty close to them. And this might rip pretty hard. You can see all the sand blowing through as this current picks up. So a little bit of a dilemma here. We set anchor this morning, and now the current has switched. And we rolled around, and now we are on the bottom. It's all sand, it's all good, no big deal. It's low tide, the tide's coming back in. But my concern is that this anchor chain that is slacked is, as soon as this boat lifts up and this current, which is picking up in strength, grabs the boat, it's gonna yank on that chain and dislodge the anchor from the opposite direction. It won't have enough room to grab hold again before we hit this boat behind us, our friends Valhalla. So it also looks like We're starting to move. There's our anchor. I think we're moving towards it. Hey, Alex! Yeah, they can't hear me. Yeah, we're slowly moving back. There's a lot of sand moving now. I got the engine running because I want to make sure I can grab this thing. So we're slack tied, our chain's under us. The anchor's back here. We're starting to move right now. And it's a pretty strong tide, strong current.
The tide's moving out.
I'm afraid we don't have enough room. And if the current pulls us really hard, it'll yank the anchor out and we're gonna hit you. So I'm a little concerned, but I got the engine running because...
Yeah, you're on, you're healing a little bit. You're about 130
You're easily more than 2 boats.
But
from
our
us.
anchor's back here. As soon as we let go, we're gonna be right on top of you.
Yeah, but I'm not all the way
But
back
your
either.
anchor was set.
My anchor's like this.
Oh, you're on the ground too?
No, I'm not on the ground, but what happened, you know what it is the chain, there's just, the current's there, but what happens is once the boat aligns with the current, it isn't moving. Like my anchor is probably about midships on the starboard side. Still set.
Are you sure
for
you're
this
not on the bottom?
direction. No, I'm sure.
There's a hell of a current right now.
I'm
Look
sure,
at this.
dude. I'm
Ooh,
telling you, I'm
is
not
that a
on the
stingray?
That's my anchor.
That's his anchor.
Oh,
So I need 125 feet between that anchor and you.
you're dug in.
But I won't be when I go this way.
Let it roll and reset.
Yeah,
But maybe not enough time.
he's doing the same thing I'm doing. Like, we're not taut. My anchor's not taut.
You're not. Okay.
So if you come off, you're probably just gonna do the same thing. Once you line up with the current,
Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I got the engine running. But you should see this cloud of sand coming up under the keel right here. It's crazy. We were at 5.6, 5.7.
5.6.
Now we're at 6.162. We're starting to move. I don't really know what's going to happen. But this current is, man, it is really ripping. And I think we're going to go right over the anchor. I don't know if, there's really not much I can do about it. Oh, he's sunbathing.
Drying off.
Warm right there.
It is cold.
Here we go. So there, we got free. What's the depth now?
6.6.
All right, we're getting deeper. We're pulling chain.
reset.
Let's see.
Satori, is it you approaching the entrance to Warderick?
Yes, it is. Satori approaching.
Hey,
It was really weird leaving without you this morning.
I know. I was
Ahoy.
like, oh, we're alone. That's sad. Ahoy.
We caught a fish right at the entrance.
don't want to rip my thing off.
Oh shit.
Songs of worries, traveling with the storm. But I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out.